All right guys, let's get some chicken kebabs put together and get them cooking on our Traeger Grill. I have all my ingredients prepped, so let me show you what we're working with. I have 3 chicken breasts that I diced into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces that have been sitting in just a basic meat marinade for the last 3 hours. And then over here, I have my veggies prepped. I have a red bell pepper, red onion, some mushrooms, and some zucchini that I have cut into the same size as my pieces of chicken. That is so that when it's on the grill, everything cooks evenly. I'm gonna season them with some salt, some pepper, and some granulated garlic. Okay, that's good. So we're just gonna alternate. We're gonna do chicken, veggie, until we have 4 good looking skewers. So I'm actually doing 2 kebabs with mushrooms and 2 without. Myself and one of my kids likes mushrooms. My husband and my other son do not. So everyone's gonna be happy today. The veggies that they get. Now while I'm putting this together, I'll tell you my Traeger is already up to temp. It's already at 400 degrees. And then we are gonna get these on there and cook them for 20 to 25 minutes. Most importantly, until the chicken has cooked all the way through. Go. Get 1 more piece of bell pepper on this one. Okay, so 1 is done. Let's make the next one. I'm gonna do chicken and zucchini on this one. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna get my other 2 kebabs ready to go, and then we'll go outside and we'll get them on the Traeger. See how we did. Whew. Break one off. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, time to pull them. Okay, check it out. We're all done. So I have just a little rice pilaf with my cooked chicken kebab. Everything cooked at the same time all the way through. It took 20 minutes. So 10 minutes on one side, flip it halfway through, 10 minutes on the other, and we're ready to eat. I'm gonna try a little piece of this chicken. So good. All right guys, well, that's it. That's how to make chicken kebabs on the Traeger Grill. I hope you liked it. I hope this was helpful. Give it a shot. If it's good, come back and let me know. I hope I see you guys again soon. Bye.